So it's 7 o'clock at night. I haven't driven the car all day, and we're getting the same problem we got a couple weeks ago whenever I had it to the dealership. As you can see, I put my foot on the brake. That light comes on just fine. Here's what it does. And then here come the error messages. I can feel a little bit of air, but not the air conditioning coming on. As you can see, gauges light up, and then there come the errors. Electronic parking brake problem, brake system problem, brake hold system problem, anti-lock brake system problem, vehicle stability assist problem, and then fasten seatbelt. And as you can see, I literally have my foot on the brake. I have the car on. It's telling me to start engine, brake plus push. ABS light is on, brake light is on, brake system failure light is on, traction control light is on for the vehicle stability, I guess. And then I get a battery light, and I also get an oil pressure light over there. And as you can see, I have nothing as far as my radio, and my dome lights do work. And I have, that light works, but I have no power to the car. And windows also do not work right now as well. And if I try to push the button again with my foot still on the brake, I get the same crap over again.